Tip for technicians that are starting to get into measureQuick or want to get into using it, really embrace it. Do as much research as you can on it, and invest in training in it, because it's going to be a really helpful tool for you to do your job better. So for service managers, I think measureQuick is a game changer. You're going to be able to see what your employees are doing out in the field. You're going to be sure that your customers are getting a better overall product, and you're going to be able to support your teams way better, because now we can't be a million places at once, but on the computer we can have multiple jobs up and be able to give advice. We can use it as training. So really overall you'd be doing yourself a disservice if you didn't look into it and take advantage of measureQuick. For company owners in measureQuick, really it's going to help your bottom line, because we're not doing multiple truck rolls on problems. You're going to have less expenses on it. Also, your employees are going to find more solutions for the customers, which is going to really help the bottom line. In addition to that, callbacks, big problem in the industry. Personally, we've reduced our callbacks. We used to be at 5%, now we're at 2%, and I owe a lot of credit to that to measureQuick. Being able to see the problems, to get the support on them, just really cuts down the guesswork, which is really critical. We know what's going on, we see what's going on, we have documentation on what's going on, and the callbacks will start to drop off as a result. At Jackson Comfort, we supply the probe kits for measureQuick to our technicians. We look at it as an investment in our people and an investment in our final product, because we want the techs to have the tools, and we don't want them to have to worry about spending their own money on it. At the end of the day, they're going to have what they need, and they're going to give a 5-star experience to our customers with measureQuick and using the probes.